Hey everyone, Luke back again. Got a cool review today. We're going to be reviewing these 6-inch purple foamed wool by Lake Country. So stay tuned, I'll give you my thoughts. Okay, hey everyone, thanks for joining in today. Got a review for you. We're reviewing purple, well, I guess they're all purple. It's just a foamed wool pad. This is from Lake Country. I really like these pads. I've been using these a lot lately for polishing gel coat. Otherwise, compared to, this is your standard twisted wool. This has been the go-to for who knows how long. And these are cool. I don't have a problem with these, but I like this better. So finishes down better, and it's a little easier to deal with and clean, and it doesn't have as much like grab when you're using it. So this has been my go-to. You get them in 5-inch. This is 6-inch. You can get them in 5-inch. This is a brand new one. This is also Lake Country, so this is what it looks like new, like a 1-inch fibers. This has been used, so you can see the outside fibers are still long and they don't last forever, but the shorter they get, the more cut they have. You can also get them already in the short fiber. This is like 1/4 inch. This is good for flats, big flat sections. And then I like brand new and thick for when you're polishing on a curve. And the other option is this, also Lake Country. This is their Smart Foam Wool. This is a standard wool pad with a blue foam backing. Been using these a little bit. Start over. Alright, hey everyone, thanks for joining in today. Today this is my review of foamed wool pad by Lake Country for use on boats, gel coat. These are really great. I've been using these a lot lately. You can see the difference between a standard wool pad and these are what I know is a wool fiber, but it's like covered in foam or mixed in with little foam strands like a foam pad, so it finishes down a little bit better, and I think they're a little bit easier to work with. You can get them in 6-inch, you can get them in 5-inch. This is also like a 5.5-inch, and you can see you can get them with little shorty fibers, or this is a brand new one that the fibers are like 1 inch long. So these are really great, finish down good, easy to use, and they're really a lot easier to control. So show you how I use it. Gel coat, I'm always running a rotary. I just keep a 6-inch pad on this Makita. If I'm doing 5-inch, then I run it on my Rupes rotary. Doesn't really matter, use whatever buffer you got. You can use these on a dual action, you can use them on a forced rotation and rotary. So, we're almost done with this boat. We're still need to polish out this section. The rail was on the trailer, so I just took it off. Final touches on this boat will be done today. So I'll just show you how I do it. If you saw my other review, I'm at the last of my bottle of Menzerna 300. I like this stuff. Works really good on boats. You can use a towel. This is a microfiber applicator. You can use a small foam pad. I like to put it on the gel coat as opposed to on the pad, because then my pad stays drier. It's just the way I do it. Whatever works for you. So, apply some compound. Again, I just need to polish out this section where the railing was. Center your pad. Polisher, always speed 1. Always speed 1. The lower the better for gel coat. Got the compound on. I'm going to pull the trigger, hit the trigger button so I have full use of my wrist. pad flat, just enough pressure to hold the pad to the surface, and then we kind of spread the compound. We keep the pad flat for a while until it starts working through the compound, starts getting worked, and then it's going to kind of start caking up in some spots, and then I'll tilt it on the edge, and then the pad will remove that leftover compound. And then quick light pass with a flat pad to remove any holograms. See, it gets normal. It's going to get dried up, caught up in the fibers. So I just take my dollar store brush, or whatever you got, brush out the fibers. And then when you're done using the pad at the end of the job, then you can just spray some all-purpose cleaner or something in there, and then kind of work it around and just release all that extra compound, and then rinse it with cold water and spin them out, or just hang it up. You're good to go. That's it. It's a blue foam wool pad. I think a couple different companies make this. These are Lake Country. I suggest you try them. It's a lot of fun. Really easy to use. I'll leave some links below. I use the links to Amazon. Help support the channel. It really helps me out. So we'll be back soon with some more awesome boat detailing and some car detailing stuff. So stay tuned.